Welcome to this module on generative AI in Azure, a powerful and rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new, original content. In a short few years, generative AI has revolutionized what is possible with technology, from automating content creation to building entirely new user experiences. In this module, we will explore a framework for understanding generative AI applications and see how Microsoft Azure AI provides the tools to build them. We're not just talking about cool tech, we're talking about tangible business impact. For each example, we'll look at the application, what generative AI actually does, and then the concrete value it brings. Let's see some real-world scenarios. First up, let's talk about marketing content creation. Imagine generative AI tools automatically drafting product descriptions, crafting compelling marketing emails, and even generating social media posts, all while ensuring a consistent brand voice across every platform. This is happening today. The value here is immense. It accelerates content velocity significantly, freeing up marketing teams from repetitive tasks, saving incredible amounts of time, and enabling a higher output with unmatched consistency. Think of the campaigns you could launch. Next, let's look at customer support. Here, AI virtual agents are deployed to analyze customer intent, understand complex inquiries, and then generate precise, natural language responses. They're available 24/7, resolving issues instantly. The benefit is clear. It reduces the load on human agents, allowing them to focus on more complex cases. This dramatically cuts operational costs and significantly improves the customer experience through immediate, effective resolution. For our developers, code generation is a game changer. Tools like GitHub Copilot interpret your natural language comments and generate suggested code snippets, entire functions, or even help with bug fixes. It's like having a coding assistant always by your side. This directly boosts developer productivity, significantly speeding up software development, reducing tedious boilerplate writing, and accelerating the implementation of new features and solutions on Azure. In the creative world, image and video generation is revolutionizing design. Designers are now using generative models, often available through platforms like Azure AI Foundry, to create unique, high-quality visuals, background images, concept art, or even entire storyboard animations from simple text prompts. This enables rapid prototyping and creative asset synthesis, drastically cutting down on production time and costs for all kinds of visual media, allowing creatives to focus on vision rather than execution. Now, it's one thing to understand what generative AI can do, but how do we actually build these incredible applications? Microsoft offers a suite of tools and services designed specifically for AI use and development, from powerful infrastructure to pre-built models and robust development environments. Let's take a closer look at these very tools, how they are engineered and deployed. To build those impactful applications we just explored, we must start at the foundation, the language model. Think of the language model as the brain of the operation. It powers the crucial app logic. It's the component that handles the reasoning and understanding behind the scenes, processing the user's request and generating the appropriate natural response. Now, let's distinguish two key ways generative AI interacts with the world: assistants and agents. Assistants are what most of us are familiar with. Generative AI often appears as chat-based assistants, like Microsoft Copilot. Their job is to help users find information and perform tasks efficiently within an application. They are reactive. You ask, they answer, or suggest a next step. Copilot, for instance, is an AI-powered productivity tool designed to enhance your work experience by providing real-time intelligence and assistance to you. Agents are the next level of autonomy. Agents are applications that can execute a series of tasks autonomously based on a high-level goal. Think of them filing taxes, coordinating shipping, or acting as an executive assistant that not only provides the location of a meeting, but automates the booking of a taxi or rideshare service to get you there. Structure. Agents are complex, containing three main components: a language model for reasoning, clear instructions to define their goals and constraints, and a set of tools, functions, that enable them to physically complete those tasks in the real world. A framework for generative AI application development. Finally, let's establish a framework for understanding how these applications are built. We can group them into 3 buckets, defined by the level of customization required. Ready to use. These applications are immediately usable. You can start simply by asking the assistant a question. No programming required. Extendable. Some ready-to-use applications can also be extended using your own data, your internal documents, your customer records. Build from the foundation. You can build your own specialized assistants and agents, starting directly from a language model. As you move down this list, the flexibility and power increase, but so does the required technical effort. Technology like Microsoft Copilot is a fantastic example of a technology that is both ready to use and extendable. You can use Copilot Studio to easily extend its functionality or connect it to your proprietary data. If your goal is to build from the foundation to create highly specialized mission-critical agents, you turn to platforms like Microsoft Azure AI Foundry. This provides the infrastructure, a model catalog, and the complete set of tools necessary to build, train, and deploy AI solutions from the ground up. Understanding this framework is key to selecting the right tool and approach for your next generative AI project. So, we've explored the what and the why of generative AI. Now let's look at the how, specifically within the Microsoft ecosystem. Microsoft offers a powerful and comprehensive ecosystem of tools and services designed to support developers, data scientists, and enterprises at every stage of the AI lifecycle. It's about empowering you to build generative AI solutions. While you can develop generative AI solutions with several Microsoft solutions, this module will shine a spotlight on Azure AI Foundry. Think of it as Microsoft's unified platform for enterprise AI operations, robust model building, and application development, all under one roof. As a platform as a service, or PaaS, Azure AI Foundry gives developers unparalleled control. You can customize the language models precisely to your needs, then deploy them seamlessly in the cloud, ready to be consumed by your custom-developed apps and services. It provides the foundation for truly bespoke AI. You interact with this powerful platform primarily through the Azure AI Foundry portal, a user-friendly interface for building, customizing, and managing your AI applications and agents. Let's break down some of its core components. Azure AI Foundry Model Catalog. This is your centralized hub for innovation. It's where you discover, compare, and deploy a wide range of state-of-the-art models for generative AI development, giving you a powerful starting point for any project. Playgrounds. Need to quickly test an idea or experiment with a new model? Playgrounds offer ready-to-use environments for rapid prototyping, letting you try out models and explore Azure AI services without complex setup. Azure AI Services. Within the portal, you can easily build, test, see demos of, and deploy various Azure AI services, seamlessly integrating them into your generative AI solutions. Solutions. This is where you bring your vision to life. You can actively build sophisticated agents and customize models directly within the Azure AI Foundry portal. Observability, and crucially, once your application is running, Azure AI Foundry provides robust observability features, giving you the ability to monitor the usage and performance of your application's models in real time, ensuring optimal operation. While foundation models are powerful, to create a truly specialized application, you need customization. The goal is simple: to improve the quality and safety of the responses for your specific domain. Azure AI Foundry supports 4 primary methods for this. Using grounding data. This ensures the model's outputs are anchored to factual and reliable data sources. It links the model to specific information, dramatically enhancing the trustworthiness of the generated content. Retrieval augmented generation. is a powerful technique that connects your model to your organization's proprietary knowledge bases. When a query comes in, the system retrieves the most relevant information first, and then uses that context to generate a highly accurate and up-to-date answer. Fine-tuning. This involves taking a pre-trained model and training it further on a small, high-quality, task-specific dataset. This process adjusts the model's internal weights, allowing it to specialize, understand jargon, and adopt a specific style. Managing security and governance controls. This is the essential layer of control, managing access, authentication, and data usage to ensure that only correct and authorized information is ever published. Observability, trust, and performance. Finally, to ensure our sophisticated applications perform reliably in the real world, we need observability. This is about measuring and monitoring the quality and trustworthiness of the generative AI. We evaluate in 3 critical dimensions: performance and quality, assessing the accuracy; groundedness, how factual the response is relative to its source; and relevance of the content. Risk and safety, evaluating potential risks, ensuring the system doesn't generate harmful, inappropriate, or biased content. Custom evaluators, implementing industry-specific metrics to meet unique business goals. Azure AI Foundry's observability features provide specialized evaluators for this, tools that measure critical aspects like groundedness, relevance, fluency, readability, and coherence, logical flow. By continuously monitoring these metrics, we build trust, ensuring our generative AI applications are not just smart, but reliable and safe. To recap, generative AI in Azure is revolutionizing business operations by creating new, original content and driving tangible business impact. These applications are powered by a language model acting as the brain. Assistants, like Copilot, are reactive. They respond to user queries with answers or suggestions. Agents are proactive and autonomous. They execute a full series of tasks to achieve a high-level goal, such as coordinating complex logistics or booking a ride. Generative AI development follows 3 tiers: ready to use, extendable with proprietary data, and build from the foundation via Azure AI Foundry. Azure AI Foundry enables customization through techniques like RAG and fine-tuning. Observability is vital for monitoring model quality, ensuring trustworthy and safe deployment. Next up, information extraction.